Ready for a new level of control over your global cards? Sign into your mobile app to get started. Navigate to the card management section of the app. Tap View Cards. Select your card, then click on More Card Controls. Next, tap the controls icon and finally select Merchant Controls. Select categories to block or allow a certain type of merchant. For instance, let's block spending for age-restricted purchases. You can dive even deeper if you want to restrict subcategories. For example, in transportation, we can block parking but still allow gas and auto services. If you go back to the Merchant Control screen and select My Merchants, you can also see which merchants have recurring payments on your card, and also which merchants have your card on file. When a merchant is listed, you have the ability to cancel unwanted subscriptions right in the app. Congratulations! Now you're in control of who can accept your card and who is saving your information.